Good day, Mr. Leo Maceda. My name is Reynaldo Rubio Jr. from 2.1 BPED, and this is my individualized portfolio in assessment in learning 2. In this DIE, I explain how the midterms exam helped me to understand the deeper meaning of physical education in the definition. I learned that PE is connected to culture, values, discipline, and human development, and that physical activities affect both personal and social life. In the interpretation, I realized that PE is not only about sports and exercise, because it also teaches teamwork, respect, responsibility, and discipline. I also understood how culture and society influence physical activities and sports. In the evaluation, I reflected that exam was meaningful and helpful because it challenged me to think deeper about the true purpose of physical education. Even though some topics were difficult, I gained important lessons that I can apply in everyday life and as a future PE teacher. The assessment of learning 2, summative assessment, helped me to improve my understanding of teaching strategies, lesson planning, and effective teaching methods. I realized that teaching is not only about knowing the lesson but also about explaining it clearly and using different strategies for different learners. It also helped me develop communication, patience, and confidence. Overall, the assessment was meaningful and helpful for my learning even though some parts were difficult. It motivates me to improve my teaching skills and become a responsible future teacher. Being a BPED student helps me learn about health, fitness, sports, and important values like discipline, teamwork, and responsibility. I realized that BPED is not only about physical activity but also about improving physical and mental health, confidence, and perseverance. Overall, being BPED student is meaningful and challenging because it helps me to become stronger, more determined, and prepared to inspire others as a future teacher. The lesson plan focused on swimming safety rules, proper behavior, rescue techniques, and accidental prevention in water activities. I realized that swimming safety is important because it helps prevent injuries and drowning. Also, I learned the values of discipline, awareness, and responsibilities. Overall, creating the lesson plan improved my knowledge, confidence, and teaching skills as a future teacher who promotes safety and proper learning. The instructional materials for my swimming safety lesson included visuals, reminders, and simple explanations of water safety rules and techniques. I realized that these materials make lessons clearer, more engaging, and easier to understand while helping students remember safety rules. Overall, making them improve my creativity, organization, and understanding and confidence as a future PE teacher. The photo shows my simulated teaching where I applied lesson planning, communication, classroom management, and teaching strategies in a classroom setting. I realized that teaching needs more confidence, preparation, patience, and creativity. And it's all about guiding and engaging learners, not just sharing knowledge. Overall, the experience improved my confidence, speaking skills, and teaching abilities, helping me identify my strengths and weaknesses as a future teacher. The rubric revised to fix errors and improve clarity, fairness, and accuracy so it can better measure student performance and set clear expectations. I realized that viewing the rubric as a student helps identify unclear instructions and ensure the task is easy to understand and follow. Overall, I learned that a clear rubric ensures fair assessment and also support student learning, growth, and improvement, not just grading. Graded student samples help teachers evaluate performance, check lesson effectiveness, and identify if tasks are easy, moderate, or difficult, while spotting students' strengths and weaknesses. I realized that analyzing grades helps me understand why some students struggle and reflect if my teaching method fit different types of learners. Overall, I learned that using results fairly helps improve teaching strategies and create a more supportive and effective learning environment for all students. My portfolio in Assessment of Learning 2 contains my output like lesson plans, rubrics, tests, and reflections that show my understanding of assessment and teaching skills. I realized that assessment is not just grading, but a way to evaluate learning fairly and help students improve using different tools and strategies. Overall, creating the portfolio was meaningful because it improved my organization, understanding, and confidence as a future teacher in assessing students properly. My photo collage shows key experiences, achievements, and memories from my journey as a student and future educator, representing my growth and learning. I realized that how much I have improved, remembering my struggles, lessons learned, and the support I received, which taught me perseverance and confidence. Overall, the collage was meaningful because it helped me reflect on my own growth and become more motivated and prepared for my future. My teaching philosophy focuses on combining knowledge and physical fitness to support students' overall health, learning, discipline, and development. I realized that education goes beyond by classroom learning and also includes promoting a healthy lifestyle, positive behavior, confidence, and motivation through physical activity. Overall, my philosophy guides me to become a responsible teacher who supports student academic, mental, social, and physical growth. A professional development certificate shows participation in trainings and seminars that improve knowledge and skills and reflect continuous learning for future teachers. I realized that lifelong learning is important in teaching because it improves my skills, confidence, communication, and classroom strategies for better student learning. Overall, it is a valuable achievement that shows my dedication and helps me grow into a more responsible and effective future teacher. So these are the three powerful questions, which are the choice, the pivot, and lastly the vision. So first, the choice. My most proud artifact is my swimming safety demo lesson plan, which shows my knowledge, creativity, and ability to organize lessons about water safety, rescue, and accident prevention. It also improved my confidence as a future PE teacher. And the number two is the pivot. My biggest challenge was creating and revising the rubric, which taught me the importance of clear, fair, and student-friendly instruction. It helped me to improve my assessment design and understand fairness in learning. And lastly, the vision. In 5 years, I see myself as a skilled and responsible teacher who inspires students, improves continuously, and promote both learning and healthy disciplined living. So that's all. Thank you.